Hi friends, how are you? Hope all of you are doing great. So today I again came up with another new video, and this time I'm going to show you uh, uh, AM FM Shark-fin antenna. So this is from 3R India, and this antenna I bought, it costed me around 500 rupees. I bought this from Bodomo, and this antenna is an universal antenna, but they said that the site said that it can be easily fitted with Tiago. So in Tiago, it comes with normal antenna, and the picture of that you will also see in this video. What I'm going to do here is that I'm going to replace the existing antenna which does not look good. I will replace it with shark fin antenna, which is much smart looking, and it should work well. That is what I'm going to see now, and please stay tuned. You will also understand whether this kind of accessories are worth investing on, and whether it makes sense to change your regular antenna with this kind of antenna when it does not come by default from the manufacturers. So stay tuned till the end, and let's begin the video. Okay, so this is I'm now unboxing the product. So as you can see, this is 3R India antennas, AM FM radio antenna, and the type is shark fin. This is it says new improved, and we are going to check that. It is black in color, not very shiny, not it's not like that it's very shiny black, it's just black. It's little dirty, maybe because of the plastic cover, so I could see some darts outside. But anyways, at the bottom you see this red area. So this is basically tape, which you need to remove before you fix it together with your car. uh, and then you get different combination of nuts and screws. So let's see which one fits in Tiago, and then we will uh, you know do the fitment. Okay, as you can see now that it has now been fitted properly. Okay, this is how it now looks. Laterally westernized came this moment. See, the complex composition radio is still going on, and I kept the radio on for the entire duration, just to check that after replacing the antenna, whether the radio functions properly or not. As you can see, the regular antenna is that comes with Tata Tiago is now in my hand. So this is quite a very long antenna. I can go to different stations and signal is quite good. So, so all the channels I'm getting without much problem. Okay, so hope you have liked this video, and as you have seen the process of changing the regular antenna with a shark fin antenna which I have bought from Bodomo. The external look is quite good, and I think the performance, most importantly the performance, is absolutely okay even after replacing this old antenna with this shark fin antenna. And I would definitely recommend everyone to go for this kind of upgrade if you think that this will enhance the look of your car. I will share the link from where I purchased this antenna in the description. Please refer to that, and please do like, share and comment, and of course please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for my next upcoming blog. Thank you, bye bye.